So you guys, so here's all the points. I went in, I did it all for you. You just had to put in, let me do this real quick, like an XY table. Like an XY table. Put all the points in. Here you go, all right. Stat count number 4. So that's what I get. So what you guys got?
Yep.
Yeah. So see how my slope is really wrong? I got -1. It's, you know, it's not that far off, but it's kind of far off. So you got, if you got a -0.9 slope or something, there you go, kick ass. Well, I should teach you last night. Go ahead. But again, whenever we do something by hand, it's never going to be as good as what the calculator does. But the calculator has much less rich length, so we can feel okay with that. That's really all I wanted you to do on this step, was to figure out what these were and then compare to the one you did. So I got pretty close on this attempt from yesterday. Is the correlation strong or weak? Strong, yes. Strong negative, right? Strong correlation. If you study more, will you definitely make less mistakes?
Yes.
No.
If you're saying yes, you are wrong. If you're saying no, you are wrong. The correct answer is, I don't know. What factors go into you making mistakes? Is it just studying?
No.
Okay then. This kind of study is not, it's not, I'm not saying that it's not useful at all. I'm just saying you can only compare 2 things at once. How many variables go into anything? Multiple. Right? How much sleep did you get? How much beer did you drink last night? How much, huh? Okay. What was the traffic like? Did somebody hit your car in the way in? You're not going to be in the right frame of mind, right? Does your teacher make stupid jokes and you're like, God Lord, this guy pissed me off, and then you can't think, right? All this shit goes in, but we're only analyzing one variable affecting one other variable. You guys semi with me? Notice how the calculator gives you r squared. Okay. So notice, have you guys noticed that?
Yeah.
The meaning of r squared is it's a percentage of the change in y that's explained by the change in x, the variable we chose to study. So 88% of the differences in the y values are explained by the x variable I chose to look at. So if we chose to look at amount of sleep you got versus mistakes you made, we'd get a different r variable. You guys kind of with me? Okay.
So it's a change in percentage of what?
This is, you don't have to know this for me. I just want to tell you why it tells you this. R squared has a reason, a purpose. It's the percentage of the change that's explained by the change in the variable you chose to look at. In this case, we looked at our study, right? Now, what if I looked at instead amount of sleep you got versus mistakes you made? You with me? I would have gotten some different stuff here, right? But the sleep you get affected by hours you study? Yeah, holy shit, right? So there's all this interplay. So there's actually some other methods that use something called F distribution. ANOVAs are what they're called. If you take any psychology, you might talk about, and they can handle multiple variables at once. Sorry, that's all I want to say about it. Yes.
For where it says compared to the line was fit and calculated by hand above.
Yes.
Do you want us to write anything down, like a statement, or we just left it?
I know. Close. On this, you can just say that. On a test, if I say, compare what you got to this other thing, you better say something, yeah.
Like this, but what exactly do you want us to compare? Like the slope
So if this was on a test, you would just say, yeah, my slope and my y-intercept were pretty close. That's great. My purpose there isn't anything besides notice how your by hand was actually pretty good, right? Or if it was not good, can you see why from the way you drew the line? Is there a better way to draw the line? You guys see what I'm saying? So in this case, I'm not so concerned about the answer as I am, are you trying to answer it? Because then you're looking at the right stuff. Okay. All right. All right. What do you think? Is that enough?
Yeah.
All right. That's enough. Have a good Thanksgiving.
Let's go.
See you guys. That'll only work today. If you try that next week, if I say, is that enough? You say yes, and then it's keep you like 20 minutes. Today I'm agreeing with you.